Collage is an art form which is made up of overlapping pieces of material, such as photographs, fabric, and other types of mixed media. And today I thought we could design something inspired by collage art. These are some of my most favorite creative examples of this style that I stumbled on and got me inspired. So today I wanted to create something similar and specifically inspired by Anthony, except instead of traditional collage, we are going to use Photoshop to combine images to create something new. I love the idea of having an older vintage image style with somewhat of a random head object. And for this, I'm going to be using my very own mascot for this design. But before we dive into it, please hit that like button and subscribe. We just hit 500 subscribers and I'm honestly feeling amazing. I did make a video about hitting 500 subscribers and my humble beginnings. So if you want to check it out, please do. Okay, back to the video. You can always find great quality images through Pexels, royalty free to use. I wanted that old image effect, so it's important to find something that will bring that to the design. Once we selected the image, we are going to start making some edits by removing the face. Yes, he is going to be headless. After that, I am going to look for a fire shape that will work well with the body. I don't know about you guys, but I always feel so much more calmer and relaxed when I'm designing for myself versus for other projects. I think there is that feeling that the only person you are going to have to please is yourself. That could be a good thing or a bad one, depending how hard you are on yourself. But when it comes to me, I find that I like being a bit messy or sticking to the basics when it comes to what I design. I also want to just have fun. I would love to know if your design process looks different when you are designing something for yourself compared to a client. Do you find yourself more stressed? I'm sure it varies from person to person and what field you're in. For example, I don't think a person that is into web design experiences the same thing that a motion artist, or vice versa. I tend to stress out more when it comes to graphs. I don't know why I get anxiety from it, but compared to email templates, web design, or ads, all of that is a piece of cake. Adding a glow is going to tie everything together and make it look more of a real fire. I added some paper samples to cut those rough edges and also adding elements of shadow to bring this piece to life. I'm so excited how this is coming together. Okay, so I'm playing it safe and just adding LittleFlame everywhere to give it something extra. I think this is turning out good. I'm always inspired on how designers can be so consistent within their style That's something I feel like I'm still lacking. I feel sometimes I lack personal creativity because once you spend so many hours doing creative work for others, you can find that you start to shortfall when it comes to personal projects. So finding inspiration sometimes can help break that barrier and do something new and take you out of that comfort zone. If you like these types of videos, please hit that like button and subscribe. One of my biggest motivations this year has been about growing my channel and finding other likewise creative individuals. So thank you for your support, and I will see you next time.